Independent Client Customer Gallagher. Today is just a work order day. We had come in and actually build these boxes in around the tops of the cabinets so that they can actually do their moldings for the house and then also mount their lighting. This light fixture here is actually the one that's going above the doors, so it's quite large. I went ahead and left a 4-inch box here in the cabinet, but from what I can figure, if they run their house crown around the top and push this scutcheon right up against the house crown, they should have plenty of space there for that to clear the doors. Like maybe 5/8 of an inch or so for it to clear the doors. That's kind of what she wanted to make sure that it was going to clear. Over here, extended that molding on up. They've got to all be painted in and caulked and stuff by the painter. Went ahead and filled in the sides here on both sides. And then of course we added our piece across here, and again the wires back there, the lighting fixtures here in the 4-inch boxes here as well. Started putting on the knobs. They're a large egg knob, so we've actually got a few of those already installed. There is a question about where this knob is going to go. Top to bottom, 3 inches off the bottom, 3 inches off top. Correlation to what's going to happen here, 3 here and 3 there. Don't know. Gotta know that. And then also, if this one does not have a knob, this one may. I'm not sure. This one, I believe, is going to be a question. If that's the case, then this would open, and then you would push that open. But I don't know the continuity of that panel, whether or not they want that to have a knob on it or not. Started putting them everywhere here. Now the appliance. Talked to the appliance person. This opening here is 48.5 inches from the face to the face. This add 1/4-inch cleat here, he said from the face of this material to the floor should be 83 3/4. This is 84 and this is 83 3/4. So I added a 1/4 inch of finished material to the bottom of that frame so that whenever the doors are inset, it's going to still have that finished look to it instead of the other. I had to put a piece of blocking behind it to be able to have something to nail that to. But otherwise, there is a discussion about whether this will actually show, and he believes 3/8 of an inch of this will show. So they need to paint this. Even though it's a rough looking board, that still the color could show. So we need to paint this fully, the face of this. Same thing here, they need to paint the face of this. That's the other reason I went ahead and made it full width. Dimensions though, everything is correct on the dimensions, so that all should be just fine. We do have the 2 doors for the refrigerator here. I do not have the top panel. She's going to check with the painter to see what happened with the top panel. That's the piece that goes across here. That may have to be reordered. I do not have it that I found. Let me look one more place. No, I do not have it that I found here. So, but that's what we got accomplished today. And then also, like I say, there's some handles coming for the larger drawers. I need to get a map on where those are going to go for the island as well. So any questions about anything, give me a call, please, at 423-650-1051. Have a good day.